See, now we discussing the topic is expansion of gases. The before we can see the expansion of solid and expansion of liquid, and now after that is there the topic is expansion of gases. Here the gases have no definite shape and size. That means there is no shape and size will be there gas of their own like a solid. The like solid have the particular shape and size, but the gases have there is no size and shape. When it is taken, completely occupy enter into the volume of the vessel which they are introduced. Which they are introduced. That time it have the shape will be constrained by the gases. Now when a gas is heated, when a gas is heated, its pressure its pressure and volume its pressure and volume changes. So what is it? When a gas is heated, its pressure and volume changes. Now when the pressure and volume changes, but it's not impossible to at a time their changes we can find out. That means when we are the pressure we can find out, the volume will take in a constant. When we can measure of a pressure, we take the value will be taken a constant. See that means it have the keeping we take the pressure will be constant. Keeping pressure here, keeping pressure is constant measured measured by volume, measured by volume. Keeping keeping volume is constant, volume is constant measured by pressure. See this is the, now one is take the constant, the another can the measure will be possibility is there. So the gas as so the gas as two coefficients, two coefficients. See one is volume volume coefficient coefficient of gas, volume coefficient of gas, coefficient of a gas is denoted by the alpha. And second one is there pressure coefficient coefficient of a gas is denoted by a beta. Now we can discussing about the individual of the volume coefficient of gas and pressure coefficient of a gas. So now discussing about the volume coefficient of a gas. It is denoted by a alpha. See, it is defined as the increase in volume, of given mass of a gas, given mass of a gas for unit virginal volume, for unit virginal volume at 0 degree centigrade Celsius rise temperature, keeping pressure is constant. So what is taken by the pressure is will be constant. See here, if V1 and V1 and V2 are the volume of given mass of gas, given mass of a gas, given mass of a gas at T1 degree centigrade and T2 degrees centigrade. T2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, at constant pressure, at a constant pressure. Now write the formula. This alpha is equal to, what is the statement is there? Increasing its value. Here how many values are there? Two values. Then we can, the increasing is nothing but V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 by, now what is will be as the mass of gas per unit virginal volume at 0 degrees centigrade. That means we say the V1 T1. See here the V1 T2 minus T2 V2 T1. Alpha is equal to, what is the formula? V2 minus V1 by V1 T2 minus V2 T1. See, this is the formula of A. Formula of A. What is the volume coefficient of gas? For example, here take the, at 0 degree centigrade, at 0 degree of temperature, at 0 degree temperature, the initial temperature how much is there here? The T1 is equal to 0 degrees, and then the T2 is equal to, we can say the T degree centigrade. Then we can write here the formula R. Alpha is equal to V2 minus V1 by, now what we can write here? The V1 into T, because of it will be equal to 0. Now this is the another formula of this one. V2 minus V1 by V1 into T. At note, here the one of the note. Here the value of alpha, the value of alpha is, the value of alpha is 1 by 273. How much is there? Is 1 by 273.15. See that nothing but is called the 0 degree centigrade. 0 degree centigrade is equal to how many kelvins are there here? The 273.15 Kelvin. Or this value will be there 0.00366 degree of centigrade. Degree of centigrade. This is the coefficient of volume of gas of the value 1 by 273.15 or 0.0366 degree of centigrade. Next we discussing the topic is pressure coefficient of gas. Now the before what is the volume coefficient of gas. Here the volume is replaced by the other pressure. It is defined as the increasing in pressure, of given mass of a gas, for unit virginal pressure at 0 degree centigrade for degree of Celsius. Rise the temperature keeping volume is constant. Now it is denoted by the beta is equal to P2 minus P1 by P1 into T2 minus P2 into T1. See, this is the formula of the pressure coefficient of gas. If at 0 degree centigrade, the pressure is P1 and T degree centigrade its pressure is P2. Then we can write as the formula for the coefficient, the pressure coefficient of gas beta is equal to P2 minus P1 by, now the T1 is equal to 0 means it total will be 0. Then we have there the P1 into T. See, this is the another formula R or RC. Now here the one of the note. See, what is the note here? Say the value of beta is 1 by 273.1 by 273.15 Kelvin or 0.00366 degree of centigrade. Now the alpha value and beta value, both of them will be same. Then we can write the alpha is equal to beta. That means the pressure coefficient of gas is equal to the volume coefficient of gas.